Chiropractors or physios do many different hats during the course of their careers. However, for most of us, going to them means one thing: having our necks, back, and hips adjusted. During a chiropractic adjustment, a therapist uses spinal manipulation to realign the bones and joints. This means that then he uses his or her hands to deliver a high velocity, low amplitude thrust to our spines. Although applying force to a sore muscle or a joint may seem illogical, but chiropractors and physios are trained to dislodge the stuck joints, and what more, they can restore these frozen joints without causing further injury to our backs. Chiropractic adjustment treat many different injuries that affect the spine, but one of the most common is whiplash. Whiplash injuries occur when a collision, such as a car accident, causes the head to whip back and forth on the axis of the neck. These intense headaches often stem from the neck pain and respond well to the chiropractic treatment. Sciatica, a form of pinched nerve, sciatic nerve, that often results from improper alignment of the lumbar spine. Most of the therapists and chiropractors use this high velocity, low amplitude thrust to reserve and basically the reverse sciatica symptoms such as the leg pain. This disorder occurs when the fascia that bounds your muscles together becomes inflamed, causing painful knots or adhesions to form in the muscle. If you develop this syndrome, then you might need a chiropractor to release these trigger points. Many injuries as well as arthritis heals fastest when alternating rounds of hot and cold therapy are applied. As such, your doctor may use packs to reduce swelling or inflammation before switching over to heat. In contrast, heating pads or wraps serve to increase the blood flow. This method draws white blood cells with the healing factors to the targeted area. Before attempting high velocity, low amplitude thrust, your therapist may use massage therapy to loosen your muscles and prevent the injury. In addition, your chiropractic may employ a licensed massage therapist on site, a certified manual therapist that may offer more advanced techniques. Why you don't have to go to a spa anymore to get your hydrotherapy fix? Many chiropractic offices now offer whirlpool therapy for the patients with sore muscles, arthritis, or paraplegia. Not only do chiropractors offer each of these services that I outlined above, but they also serve as lifestyle coaches and ergonomic experts. They provide direct advice, strengthening exercises, and much needed tips for reconfiguring your office. If you or your loved ones are facing any mental or psychological illness and you think that you need help, request an appointment at the Limitless 7 and we are here to help.